Good morning. We are looking outside this morning at the start of, or the cloud cover rather, that we've got some low-level clouds hanging overhead here in Fargo and areas around the valley. Another gray one today. And so that first day of school in West Fargo, kind of a fall-like feel for you. It's almost like the weather is helping you along to go back to school, so it doesn't feel like you're missing out too much on summer today. We're going to be feeling it today. It's going to be even cooler than yesterday, so keep that in mind. And chances for rain still lingering in the forecast too, so might want to also dress for that kind of weather here today. You might want that jacket for that back-to-school outfit this morning. And right now it's not raining in a lot of places. We're looking at mainly just some quiet conditions right now in the valley. Up to the north, that's where we're seeing some more showers around Baudette and back over toward the Towner County area, so right along the Canadian border there. Farther south, some storms down by Sioux Falls. That storm track likely going to stay to the south. However, just because we're dry right now doesn't mean we're not going to experience some showers coming up later today. So want to plan ahead, not heavy, but enough to be a bit of a nuisance here for your Tuesday. So here's a look at our current temperatures. It's cool. Some of us in the 40s this morning. It's 48 degrees in Fosston and in Bemidji. It's 54 in Fargo, 51 in Grand Forks. Our wind is coming in out of the north. We're looking at wind speeds up to 15 miles per hour. And we're keeping an eye on visibility, that fog that has developed in some areas this morning. We're looking at Fergus Falls and Wahpeton. Those are our lowest reports for fog this morning, and that's where we may see that fog condense a little bit more and thicken up, and so that might have an impact on your morning drive. So keep that in mind with the wind on the lighter side. So here's a look at your hour-by-hour planner. Mostly cloudy skies, those low clouds hanging around here this morning, and some spotty showers. This is 7 a.m. You could see some spotty showers in and around the region at that point. Most of this right along the Canadian border. Heading into noon, just a struggle to warm up. We're going to be into the 50s at noon with a few breaks in the clouds. You can see one right here in southeastern North Dakota. So hopefully we can get some sunshine from time to time just to brighten things up. It's not going to help us out if it's not hanging around very long, but at least it'll brighten things up a little bit from time to time. And with even a little bit of daytime heating, we've got enough instability out there that we could see some of these pop-up showers in the afternoon develop. So around 3 o'clock, heading home from school, you could see in North Dakota, we've got a few showers there affecting some of those kids, and into the later afternoon, those kind of hang around 5 o'clock. Temperatures ranging from some mid-50s to some mid-60s, and that's as warm as we'll get for today. So mostly cloudy skies today, a fall-like feel, and into tonight, we start to clear out a little, though up north, a chance for some rain and some showers there. By tomorrow morning, that's still kind of hanging around, though look at our temperatures. It's going to be one of our colder mornings of the season. We're looking at some 40s to start off the day throughout the valley, some of us dipping into the low 40s, so a cool one tomorrow morning. But this will kind of be where we bottom out. After that, we start to work our way back up to some warmer temperatures, and that will happen during the day tomorrow. So heading into the noon hour, you can see already some improvement. Temperatures into the 60s and continuing that rise into some 70s for many. Over in our eastern viewing area, that's where you might be in the 60s still for your forecast highs, but slightly warmer than today. Out west, we'll see that warmer air first, so we'll get into some low to mid 70s for your highs in the eastern part of North Dakota. Heading into later on tomorrow night, clearing out, looking better, and we've got some drier conditions for a couple of days at least today, so don't have to worry about this. This is lightning in the Comstock area. Really cool shot. Thanks, Tiffany, for sharing that with us. So your 7-day planner, starting that warm up as we get into the second half of the week. Thursday back to near 80 degrees, a chance for some late storms, but especially into Friday where we could see some stronger storms again, and that will kick off the holiday weekend. If you're heading out to the game on Saturday, we're looking at temperatures in the upper 70s, and for Labor Day, that's our chance for some storms over the weekend, but temperatures rise back to around 80 degrees, feeling a lot more like summer for that unofficial end to summer that we often consider Labor Day weekend to be.
So there is more summer after today's
There is.
cold weather that we have.
Yeah, and you know what? September is a month that can be really nice. We're still very warm. It's not as intensely hot, but still plenty of time to have some warm weather coming up.
One of my favorite months.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Lisa. West Fargo students are heading back to school today. What some can expect is they step into a new elementary school. Coming up in just a few minutes on the Valley Today.